On Fulbright's 80th birthday, chapters, community partners, and alumni in every corner of the world stepped out together for one global day of service. This global project brought Fulbright alumni, chapters, community partners, and dedicated supporters together to serve their local communities. It invited participants to turn the values of mutual understanding, cultural exchange, and global citizenship into visible action. More than just a single day of volunteering, the Global Day of Service was a way to show who the Fulbright community is. People using their experiences, relationships, and talents to serve others and strengthen communities around the world. 120 projects, 35 countries, from care packs and food drives to cleanups, shelter support, and local community projects. Each act of service helped turn shared values into visible action. Experience the full scope and impact of this historic day. Visit our website now to explore the global map, read the stories, see the incredible images from all of our registered acts of service. Your inspiration starts here. FulbrightDayofService.org